In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to know if your iPhone 14 Pro Max is original or not. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase the official method to check if your iPhone is original or not. You will be able to tell a genuine iPhone apart from a fake one. This will work for the iPhone 14 Pro Max and also any other models that you might have, so iPhone 12, 13, 14 standard, 15, whatever. To check this, you will have to compare the serial number. The serial number is attributed to each iPhone that is manufactured, and it is a unique identifier. So this means that your iPhone is going to have a unique serial number that you can use to check if it is made by Apple. So to start, go into the settings of your device and go into the General tab. So settings and access the General category. Inside of General, you will see About. So go to General, and above Software Update, you will have the About section. In here, you can see information about your device. What you have to do is pay attention to the model number and, most importantly, even the serial number. Grab the box for your original iPhone if you still have it, and don't worry, even if you don't have access to the box, I'm still going to teach you how to check if your iPhone is original. But if you do have the box, it can help double check. So in the box, you will have the serial number here. All that you have to do is compare it to the serial number that is being displayed on the iPhone. So for example, if the serial number on the About section was 12345A, this serial number should also say the exact same sequence of characters, 12345A as the example. You can also find the model number in the box, although it isn't strictly necessary. Usually both will match, but as long as you use the serial number at the very least, it is going to be good enough. Now, if you want to double check, or if you don't have access to the box and you cannot check the serial number in here, what you have to do is go to another website. This website is going to be checkcoverage.apple.com. So on this website, you will be able to see if your iPhone is covered by the Apple services and consequently check to see if it is original or not. So as I've said before, go to checkcoverage.apple.com. As you can see here, you have two fields. One of them you will input the device serial number, and in the other one you will just copy this code that is being displayed here. So after you input all of the necessary information here, you will be able to choose Submit, and if the serial number is valid, meaning that it is registered within Apple's systems, it is going to tell you what coverage this iPhone has. Even if it doesn't have coverage, that's fine, because all we're using this website for is to check if the iPhone is genuine or not. If it is not genuine, the serial number won't work because it is just going to tell you that it is invalid. If you need help finding it, just click on this link here. But as I've said before, it's as simple as going to Settings and then choosing the General option in there. I hope I was able to help you on how to know if your iPhone 14 Pro Max is original. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.